Hello, hello, hello. Full lag. दिख रहा है? हेलो. हम्म. चालू करते हैं यार आज थोड़ा. एफ हो रहा है एफ. चालू करते हैं. बहुत अटक रहा है. स्टार्ट करते हैं. Which element precedes carbon in modern periodic table? यार. हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बोरॉन, 5. Which of the following is an example of mixed salt? More salt. Isotopes of atom showing same atomic number. Atoms. Buckminster Fullerene's. Who among the following? पहले पढ़ लो भाई, पूरा पढ़ लो भाई. फुटबॉल है ठीक है. Which among the following gas is used as an anesthetic in dental surgery? Nitrous oxide, if I am not wrong. Burning of candle is which kind of reaction? Exothermic बाहर से. Exothermic होना बाहर. Not a subatomic particle. Metal oxides, KOH, is acid. Which among the following is an example of adsorption? What? Adsorption. Silica gel contact with water vapor, mist, painting. Which of the following chemical can be used to remove copper oxide? CaO. Vinegar, tartric acid, acetic acid, citric acid. Not sure. Which of the following substance has a pH value of about 14? Highly basic. Which of the following is associated with atomic model? Bohr's atomic model. Lithium की valency +1. Altimeter is height. A current of 0.5 ampere maintains a resistance of 10. The amount of charge equals to IR. को R दे रखा है, क्या निकालना है? I निकालना है. वो करंट दे रखा है, मैं the amount of charge flowing through the resistor. Which of the following is a process in which hot, less dense material rises upwards and replaced by colder, more dense material? Convection currents. Which of the following colors of white light is least deviated by a glass prism? Least deviated, सबसे कम deviation किसमें दिखता है? रेड कलर में दिखता है सबसे कम deviation. In case of hypermetropia, the farsightedness, where is image formed? दूर की चीज देखती है, पास की चीज ब्लर हो जाती है तो पीछे दिखेगी. पता नहीं मुझे इसका 100% श्योर नहीं हूँ. For which of the following colors light shows the least scattering? फिर से आ गया. If you are, if you bring a far away object towards the focus of a convex lens, the size of the image will lens, हाँ, पास लेके आ जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? बड़ी हो जाएगी. From which medium sound waves cannot pass through? Vacuum. The negative acceleration of the velocity of a body is negative acceleration. It's called retardation. Decrease हो रही है. Which type of friction is considered as a self-adjusting force? भाई ये the SI unit of frequency is frequency 1 upon time, hertz. Virtual image larger than the object can be obtained by a dash. Virtual image larger than the object can be con con convex. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Convex mirror. Larger than the object. रियल इस तरफ, वर्चुअल इस तरफ होती है ना. Which of the following is is the definition of CGS system, centimeter, gram, and seconds. Which of the following enzyme is used to stabilize the rice bran oil? Eh, Hydrolase, cellulase, पता नहीं. Adipose. Food storing plant part in onion is called food storing plant part in onion. बट ऑनियन में कहाँ होता है? रूट में तो ऑनियन ही होता है. फूड स्टोरेज. फ्लावर, ऑनियन के फ्लावर में फूड तो नहीं होता होगा. लीव्स, लीव्स में हो सकता है. फ्रूट होता नहीं हो, पता नहीं. ऑनियन में फ्रूट होता है, पता नहीं. Which gland controls the function of endocrine glands? Adrenal gland, pituitary gland. The breakdown of pyruvate using O2 takes place in an the Malpighian tubes are characteristics of. Name the filtration unit of excretory system in humans. Which of the following is known as an energy currency in cellular process? एक ही जैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं इसमें. Which of the following is an example of an infectious disease? Infectious. Dementia, pulmonary hypertension. The small carnivores are called or also called uh, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. In an anaerobic respiration, glucose break down into carbon dioxide, lactic acid नहीं होता. Alcohol, water, alcohol तो नहीं बनता होगा. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एनर्जी वाटर. एरोबिक है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर एंड एनर्जी. Which of the following plant hormone inhibits growth? Gibberellin. Auxins भी हो सकते हैं. जिबरेलिन मेरे हिसाब से होगा. What are the receptors for detecting taste called? Olfactory. Olfactory the smell है. Sensory receptors. Gustatory. Chemical. Olfactory taste. Sensory receptors are gustatory. Gustatory. Calcium deficiency in old age leads to which disease? Osteomalcia. Osteoporosis भी हो सकता है. Osteomalcia और osteoporosis में क्या डिफरेंस है? Calcium deficiency. Osteoporosis होता है ना. Basically anemia rickets मुश्किल है. मतलब हाइपर ब्लर होती है पास की चीज तो रेटिना पे नहीं बनेगी. ऑन रेटिना तो नहीं होगा. ऑन कॉर्निया तो बिहाइंड रेटिना. Democracy is often praised by as a system that best safeguards personal liberty, enshrined, enshrined in constitutional guarantees and uphe- uphe- upheld by the rule of law. Freedoms such as speech, beliefs, and associations form the foundation of democratic governance. However, these liberties functions effectively only effectively only when praised with responsibility. When freedoms are exercised without restraint, they can foster disorders, social divisions, and even authoritarian reactions. Democratic freedoms operates within a framework of accountability when ethical judgment and civic awareness are essential. Rights such as protest and expression must be balanced with respect for public order and factual integrity. In times of crisis such as health emergency or civil unrest, the misuse of freedom can endanger collective well-being. Democracy therefore depends only on legal structure, but also as responsible citizens who actively preserves its value. What does the passage implies about democratic institutions? Rely on active participation. They must restrict civil rights. Function independently. Which don't reflect. Hmm. Excessively optimistic to me. How does the passage portray crises in democratic societies as validation of ultimate power, freedom? Why do the authors cite protest and voting as examples? One of the most helpful things something helpful things we can do. DV. Something we can do for someone who is giving. Forest are the green golden gold forest country. D. They are country's wealth. These needs to be overcome to get success in life. Life is not a bed of roses but of thorns. AD, they need to be stupendous का opposite. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Hairy, बेकार. Suspicious, villainous. Inexpensive का synonym. Cheap. Piquant का antonym. Piquant. Bland, submit, sure, unclear. Piquant. Submit, sure. He looks for his grandfather with wide eyes and quiet disposition. Finance minister has announced from all her birthday present, Vinayal write the alphabet matter the most. Amongst, I dashed the movie Lagan when he called last night. I was watching the movie Lagan when he called last night. The ball fell into the pond and Amla missed miss fly yeah, miss flinging it to pond and Amla missed fingering it to Sakshi for Sakshi. क्या है मिस फ्लिंगिंगली फ्लिंगिंग मिस्ड फ्लिंगिंग मिस फ्लिंगिंग का क्या मीनिंग है मिस्ड फ्लिंगिंग फ्लिंगिंग इट सार्ट स्कॉर्पियन साइक पीएस YCHOLOGY caution acclimatize immediate IE क्ले एक्लेमे एक्लीमेटाइज नहीं होता एक्लेमेटाइज होता है exclaim express community COMMUNITY. He said I will be disposing of the old mobile next Tuesday. He said that he would be disposing of the costliest watches were for her bought for her by her husband for her by her husband. Her husband bought her the costliest watch. The mountaineers set up a camp at a height of 15,000 feet. There they stayed for a week to get accustomed to the climate. Then they started climbing. ADBC. ADBC. DRCC. The vault was a small one, but it had a new patent patented door. DCADB. Fastened with three solid steel boards to DB. Three boards throwing simultaneously with a single-handed handle and had a time lock. Mr. Adam becoming explaining Mr. Spencer. He, however, showed the courteous and I love to watch people. Some people love to watch birds or fish, but I love to watch how men and women behave. B से या C से या D से CBC BC है ही नहीं Nothing ever escapes my sharp eyes. I have an habit, BA BD. I love to watch people. Some people love to watch birds. BA. The tailor said to her, "Where do you want the dress?" Tailor asked her where she wanted the dress. She asked her mother why she was so upset that day. She asked her mother, she said to her mother, "Why are you?" It is magnificent that your theories can be conveyed with such clarity by you. It is magnificent that you can convey your theories with such clarity. After getting dash evidence, the suspect were interrogated and imprisoned. After getting the evidence, suspect dash the news is true, then what happened is not surprising. If dash it rains, the college will declare holiday. If it rains, ये conditional simple इतने. The neighbor peeped dash the windows and found a woman lying unconscious. Peeped through the window. Peeped from या peeped through. उसकी आंखें विंडो के अंदर से गई ना. Piquant, piquant, pic क्यों नहीं किया उसने? Piquant. Antonym श्योर सबमिट किया तभी तो अनक्लियर होगा. मैथ्स का आएगा फटेगी. ठीक है. You get 244 plus 3.8 4 5 6 7.8 minus 4 into 3 upon 1.2 0.4 10 minus 2.2 A and B. If income of A is equals to expenditure of B, 2 by 1, then what is the ratio of savings? 8 10 3 8 7 2 7 2 any. The income of A is equal to the expenditure of B. Income of A is expenditure of B. Is equals to 2, y equals to 1. X equals to 2, y equals to 1. Oh yeah. ये मुझे नहीं. The average weight of 20 boys was marked 89.4. Found that instead of 87, the value was marked as 78 plus 9. Two equal circle have radius 8 centimeters intersect each other in such a way that each passes center of the other circle. ठीक है. The length of the common chord. 64 minus 16. 8, 48. 12 fours up. 4 root 3. 8 root 3. If is the diameter of circle of center O. P is the point on circle such that AOP equals to 10. AOP equals to 110. Then angle of BOBP. OBP. हाफ हो जाएगा. The value of x in the equation is 1 plus x का whole square. Equals to a square plus b square plus 2x minus x square. डाल के देख लेते हैं. 1 minus minus 1 upon minus 2 minus 2 upon minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 2 equals to आ जाएगा 4 minus 3 by 4. ये तो नहीं होगा. तो 4 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. 16 minus 9 is to 7 upon 12. 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5 upon 6. माइनस ही है. 2 हो गया तो 3 हो गया. 3 upon 2 plus minus 2 upon 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 by 6. कोई भी नहीं है. Coin is tossed 3 times. What is the probability of getting ahead each time? 1 by 8. Hitting each time ना. हर टाइम 3 बार उसने उछाला. हेड 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 आने के क्या चांस है? तो 1 by 8 ही होगा. A group of what is the mod of the data? 6 plus. ये हो गया 14 10 10. 12 minus 8 equals to 4. 5 plus 5 11 हो जाएगा. ये भी नहीं हो रहा. क्या था मैं भूल गया इसका फॉर्मूला. 2f0 minus f1 f minus f2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 f1 f0 minus f2. भूल गया. sec minus tan equals to this and sin theta equals to थीटा मैंने 45 ले लिया. sec 45 हो गया √2 minus 1 equals to x by y. What is and y बड़ा है x से. ये 1.4 1.414 आएगा तो 0 पॉइंट कुछ आएगा तो सही है. साइन थीटा की वैल्यू बची. तो स्क्वायर करना है क्या दोनों साइड? स्क्वायर प्लस टेन स्क्वायर, 2 sec 1 upon cos into sin upon cos. ये 1 हो गया, बहुत ही बेकार हो जाएगा ये. The temperature of land is 30. If the temperature 3000 meter above the land is 12, then find how much temperature is decreased. Temperature decrease every 100 meters above. Temperature is directly proportional to height. Thirty minus 12 is 18 upon 3000. 9 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. क्या क्वेश्चन है ये? तो पहली बार देखा है मैंने क्वेश्चन. Area of a two similar triangle XYZ and PQR is PQ equals to, or the not is XY. 10 upon 5 equals to 4 upon X. 8. इधर चला जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा, नहीं 2 हो जाएगा, नहीं क्या हो रहा है? 2 2 X upon 4. The cost of 2 pencil and 3 is this 7 pencil. 2x plus 3y equals to 55. 7x plus 2y equals to 65. Then what is the total price of 1 pen and 1 pencil? 6x plus 9, 4x plus 6y equals to 110. 7 3 is 21x plus 6y. 5 3 is 15, 1. 6 3 is 18, 195. 117x equals to 85. X equals to 5. 10 45 15 y equals to 15. तो 20 रुपए की हैं दोनों मिला के. Let's see, be a circle with center O. P is an external point on C. Let's see, be a circle center O. P are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. What is POA? POA. ये 90 हो गया, ये भी 90 हो गया. 30 120 60 हो सकता है इसका आंसर. दोनों इक्वल होंगी ना, ये भी इक्वल है, पूरा इक्वल हो जाएगा. Government took a loan of 50,000, purchase a mobile. She promised to make the payment after 3 years. The company charged an interest of 20% per annum in the same, but suddenly the company announces the rate of interest to be 25% for the last 1 year of loan payment. What is the extra amount she has to pay due to the amount of new rate? अच्छा ओ 1500 इंटू 6/5 into 6/5 into 6/5 5 to the 25 25 6 5 12 120 216 into 1 216 into 12 6 to the 21 ना हो गया 25 हो गया नहीं लास्ट ईयर में हुआ सिर्फ 25 600 और 150 6 by the 30 08 the time period is 2 years. What is the simple interest? सौरपल्ली लगा है train length 100 meter crosses another train 150 running in parallel take opposite direction in 9 seconds the speed of train having length 150 is 40 kilometer per hour and what is the speed of अच्छा 40 plus x into 5 by 18 550 9 2 100 60 हो गई third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression are minus 4 and 11 minus 14 and 1 third and eighth what is 11th term third and eighth term 4 5 6 7 8 पांच इनके बीच में के डिफरेंस ना इनके बीच में 15 का इक्वल्स टू 3 8 है प्लस 3 10 11 प्लस 3 7 प्लस 3 10 when the number when the least number divisible by इतना which is a perfect square okay 18 18 5 90 90 least number which is divisible by this least तो 900 ही होगा 400 कटेगा नहीं और 9 what should be subtracted from this to make sure the number is divisible x minus x equals to x की power minus 2 minus 416 plus 16 plus 11 ये कट गया ये कितना आ गया 3 3 should be subtracted the height of a cylinder is 45 the circumference of its base is इतना what is the curved surface area 2 pi r दे रखा है h दे रखा है हमें 45 into 132 कर देंगे 2 pi r दे रखा है ना हमें 45 1 by दे दो 15 13 by the 65 plus 8 5 6 7 8 73 52 52 plus 7 is 59 59 30 5 to the 10 1 65 plus 8 73 74 हाँ Yes, sir. Two bottle contains acid and what? Six minus five upon 15 equals to 1 by 15. 15 upon 4. 20. इक्वल किया है हमने, इक्वल हुआ है क्या? इक्वल करना है क्या इसको? 6 9 5 10. 6 plus 15 21. 9 plus 30 is 39. यही आ रहा है. 3 से कट जाएगा. 3 7 जा, 3 13 जा. A school 4 above 9 students are girls and rest are boys. 4 girls हैं और 5 boys हैं. 3 out of 5 number of boys are below 12. अच्छा, 50 कर लिए टोटल. लेस देन 12 करेंगे तो 330. 5 by 12 are girls are above 12. 5 by 12. The total number of 5 by 12 12 12 तो 30 कर दूं क्या? इंटू 3 करूंगा तो 120 और 150 हो गया. 5 13 90. ये हो गए 60. 12 150 70. The number of students below 12 years of age, below 12, 140. 5 3 out of 5. ये ऊपर होगा 50. 160 equals to 480. 1 equals to 3. Then the total number of students in the school is 270 into 3 is equals to total number of students in the school. 5/18 भी करना है. 270 into 3 upon 5/18. 9 3 the 15 225. बहुत ही बेकार क्वेश्चन है. सौ बाई 101. Oh, combination of 69 hours. Then how much time were number system and geometry taught? Number system and geometry white है. Number system ये है 29. 96 into 100. Data intermission and modern maths are taught. Data interpretation कौन सा है इसमें? ये वाला. और modern maths क्या है? ये वाला. थर्ड वाला. 4 plus 8 12. So 16. Ram spent 30% of money after spending 47 of the remainder he spent. Two threes are 6, 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. है what amount he originally had का क्या मीनिंग है? अच्छा 7.02 है. 3 जीरो है इसके आगे. 20.1 आ रहा है. क्या गंदे क्वेश्चन है. देखना डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड some principal at 8% and for 8 months and 6% for 14 months is इतना. अच्छा 864 by 100. 8 upon 100 into 8 upon 12 minus 6 into 14 upon 12 upon 100. 200. 64. 6 4s are 284. 20 तो 20 अपन 1200. 10 12,000. His wealth is 5/7 of PU's wealth. And C is 10/7 of B. Hmm. What is the ratio of C's wealth to A's wealth? 2:1. Find the exact value of cos 120. 90 plus 30. Add sugar minus cos 30 is minus 1/2. Sin 30 1/2. ठीक है. A tank fills 4 hours ABC. Tank is filled by 4 hours by tape pipe ABC. If C is 1.5 times faster than B, and B time as fast as A. ठीक है, तो ये कितना हो गया? 6 4 24 टोटल हो गया. How many hours will pipe A alone? 24 बन. How many hours will pipe A take alone to fill the tank? 6 4 24. 24 है कि नहीं इसमें? Hmm. 5 C is 3 by 2 as fast as B. 5 B is 3 times as fast as A. E 3 है. 2 6 और 9. 9 15 17. 4 into 17 34 हो जाएगा. Average of 8 consecutive even number is in ascending order is 17. Average 8 consecutive number का 17 है. Average of 17 plus 4 की जगह 8. What is the average of last three numbers? 36 and 53. कितना हो गया? 66 plus 36 53 6 to the 12 5 1 31. B चला गया. How many days rest of the war? A and C 4 6 4. He sold a watch to be at a profit of 5 6 में. B sold to C at a 10. If B's profit is 80 more than A and D, if B's profit is and D bought it for B's profit is the market price of an article is इतना sure. TSM 720 34 17 1 17 102. cost price हो चौबीस सौ a plus Sn equals to the number of cars sold by company P. Number of red cars sold by company P. 1212. White car sold by S. White car sold by S. Together, how much more? How much more than the number of white cars sold by P? White car sold by P and black car sold by Q. 1622. 2285 0 9 ये हो गया 17 9 990 an average of 625 to 6 7 150 हो गया one family lose whose weight is 40 leaves the group and find the average of the weight of the remaining family 4 2 is 8 22.5 क्या होगा 18 हो जाएगा 25 6 4 और 150 माइनस 110 अपॉन 5 22 how many minutes of telephone conversation took place on that day yeah minutes 4 28 120 120 60 240 300 shit यार इसमें shit हो गया plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 14 15 16 17 18 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 18 कर्ड मिल्क से बनता है क्लॉथ फाइबर से बनता है ब्रिक वॉल ब्रिक से बनती है शूज कोल से तो नहीं बनता ओके ओके मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 15 plus 7 4 is 28 minus 6 11 9 all shirts are pants some pants are skirts all skirts are kurtas no shirt are skirts skirts no shirt are skirts no वाला तो कोई है ही नहीं some shirt are skirts some shirts some shirt कहाँ है some shirt are skirt all shirt are pants some pants are skirt some skirts are kurtas no shirt is skirt no shirt is skirt या some shirt are skirt पर इसमें ये भी हो सकता है all shirt are skirts ये भी हो सकता है ना month plus 2 minus 2 nope OMHT PALI 14 plus 2 18 + 2, 18 + 2, PL, PATLI, पतली पतली हो गई पतली. ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल. बिट कैपलैन, बिट कैपलैन, बिट 5. सारे उल्टे हो रखे हैं. 3 6 है, 18 + 1. 2 का क्यूब -1 नहीं. 3 into 2 -1. 2 into 2 -1. 5 into 2 -1. 10 50 49. 49 है ही नहीं. +1 और यहाँ -1 हो रहा है. इवन में +1 हो रहा है. अगर ये इवन है मतलब ऑड है तो +1 हो रहा है. इवन में -1 हो रहा है. अभी क्या है? अच्छा इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी 613 EDITO. आई आएगा पहले, 3 आएगा पहले, फिर 1 आएगा या 2 आएगा. EDU चू पहले आई आएगा, 1 आएगा, 4 आएगा या 5. EFF E आएगा पहले, 4 आएगा. 7 पे F is sitting to the immediate right of C. F is sitting to the immediate right of C. C is sitting at the second opposite to the right of G. C is sitting at the second opposite to the right of G. Second opposite का क्या मतलब? Second opposite. Second opposite to the right of A. He is sitting at the third position. B is immediate neighbor of D and E. Oof. C is sitting at the second position to the right of G. C is sitting to the second position of right. Second position of right of G. Sitting to the second position. Opposite नहीं है ना? He is at the third position to the right of A. He is immediate neighbor of D and E. He is sitting to the third to the right of A. C is second. C is sitting at the third position of the right of D. 1 2 3 ये तो सही है. A is sitting to the immediate left of C. Yes. B is sitting to the immediate right of G. He is sitting at the third position to the left of G. And he is sitting at the third position to the left of G. 2 3. Yes. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो ऐसे डॉट डॉट एक ऊपर बिंदी ऊपर भी आएगी, ये नहीं आएगा, ये आएगा. He is said to be your mother. Is mother of my son. You are the mother of my son-in-law. Cha. You are the mother of my son-in-law. ए बी को क्या बोलेगी? You are the mother. ए ने बी को बोला बी is the mother of A's son-in-law. You are the mother of my son-in-law's son. अच्छा, my son-in-law's son. तो ए बी को क्या बोले? A is the daughter of B. नहीं, B is the daughter of A. Position of how many letters will remain unchanged if each of the letters in telephone are T E L E P H O N E 25 12 5 16 8 15 14 5 एक दो तीन तीन ही है TELEPHONE ठीक है फिर एच आ गया 12 आ गया फिर एन आ गया फिर ओ आ गया फिर पी आ गया और फिर टी आ गया चेंज एक चेंज 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 दो चेंज चेंज what box 20 meters west then he takes a turns left and walks 10 then he again takes a left turn and walks 10 left turn and walks 10 now he takes a right and walks 10 finally he takes a right turn and stops at 10 in which direction is the stopping point with respect to the starting point southwest who is the tallest among all Shweta is taller than Anu and Vani is smaller than Dev Anu is taller than Vani Anu is taller than Vani and smaller than Summer. नाम लिख के है Shweta is taller than Anu. Vani is smaller than Dev. Tanu is taller than Vani. Tanu is taller than Vani, but smaller than Summer. Anu is taller than Summer. Anu is taller than Summer. Dev is smaller than Anu. Who is the tallest among all? No cap. यही होगी. How many sharpeners are books? What? Sharpeners are books. Only books. Sip books. 2, 3, 5. पेन भी है 569 526 43 526 483 3 4 143 397 minus 43 354 UHD are facing are sitting facing north. E and F are in the center. A and B are at ends. ठीक है. C is immediate left of A. Who is immediate right of B? बचा कौन? A, B, C बच गया, D रह गया बस. 4 की उफ 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 18 12 4 3 are 12 6 3 are 18 5 3 are 15 8 3 are 24 9 3 are 27 6 3 are 18 6 7 6 3 are 18 7 3 are 21. बहुत ही बेकार लॉजिक था. Angry is furious, wounded is bruised, delighted jitted. क्या है? jitted deceased. jitted का मतलब नहीं पता मुझे, पर bruised का मतलब है चोटेड, चोट लगी है थोड़ी. Opposite 4 6 4 6 nope 1 5 nope 3 5 3 5 हो सकता है, 2 4 नहीं हो सकता. शुगर केन फ्रूट मिल्क कार बस साइकिल मोटरसाइकिल व्हीकल स्कूटर्स. स्पाइसेस क्यूमिन मील. मील में स्पाइसेस भी डलती है, क्यूमिन भी डलता है. इधर इधर फिर दो छोड़ के इधर 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 ऊपर आएगा. अंडा 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 फिर अंडा वापिस आ गया यहाँ पे, ऊपर जाएगा अंडा. इधर 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 फिर इधर नीचे आएगा ना. A B means that A is the brother of B. M is the uncle of B. M is the brother. M is the brother of K. K is the father of T. T hashtag. T is the sister of P. M is the uncle of kidney. It's heart. GART. क्या है? टाइट. गल्स्ट. ठीक है, गल्स्ट. SLUGN. lungs. Over, obey, appear, connect. Name a single letter that can be prefixed in the common words. Uncover, unobey, disobey होता है ना. discover, disobey, disappear, disconnect. Connect the word pair in which the words are differently related than in other pairs of words. एरर ब्लंडर होता है, विच डिजायर होती है, मॉइस्ट, ट्रेंच्ड, अनहैप्पी, प्लेजर. 7 people are in a straight line. Three, four, five, six, seven. D was following A. B was B was just ahead of C. Who was ahead of C? B was just ahead of C. Who was ahead of A? There are only two people between D and F. D and E. F is just behind D. How many people is slash are there between C and G? How there are how many persons are there between C and G? Two. D and C. D was following A. D was following A. He was just ahead of C. Who was ahead of A? FDA, ECP, G. C और G के बीच में सिर्फ E दिख रहा है मुझे तो. C and G. C was just ahead. Who was ahead of A? C ahead है A की. There were only 2% between D and E. D और E के बीच में 2% है. F is just behind D. How many people are in C and G? And what is slash are their names? पता नहीं क्या है. +8 +9 नहीं, हाँ +8 +9 +10 +11 48. All cats are dogs. No horse is dog. Some cats are horse. No dog is horse. Help is coded as 5. Bell is coded as 4 वर्ड है इसलिए 5, तो ये भी 4 वर्ड है इसलिए 5 हो जाएगा. तो ये तो बहुत ही बेकार लॉजिक होगा. 8 5 13 13 25 25 16 41 4 plus 1 2 5 7 7 plus 24 31 3 plus 1 4. In the following question select the odd number. अच्छा C3G7 ठीक है. L12A1 H8M13 F6J10. A man walks 10 kilometers toward north, then turns eastward in 5 kilometers, then he again turns right and walks 7 kilometers, then turns right and walks 5 kilometers. Where does he stand with respect to starting point? 3 kilometers north. More -1 -1 -1 15 -1 15 -1. इधर जाएगा ना. +4 19 plus 4 is 23. 21 plus 5 20 21 plus 4 C plus 4 7 G. 10 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. 17 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. WGMT. Which letter will come on two faces marked 1 and 2? U S Q S T R. P के साथ आ सकता है, T R आ सकता है, Q U Q U आ सकता है, T S नहीं आ सकता, T तो नहीं, S Q Q S भी नहीं आ सकता. A B C B D C D E A B C D E G E G 16 36 5 3 8 हो गया, 8 की 8 का स्क्वायर, 6 4 10 हो गया, 10 का स्क्वायर, तो 7 3 12 144. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word frequent, each of which has as many letters between them? Sure. 6 18 5 17 21 5 14 20 1 19 18 19 20 21 19 17 18 7 8 18 14 15 16 17. 16 17 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 19 20 21 20 21. तीन हो गए, तीन से ज्यादा तो ऊपर है ही नहीं. Divide is represented as minus 87 multiply is plus 66 plus is divide by 11, minus is multiply by 2, 12. 10 plus 12 is 22. 7 persons ABCDEFG went for hiking. 6 लोग हैं, 7 लोग हैं, 2 3 4 5 6 हो गए ना 7. ठीक है. D was followed by A. D was following A. B was just ahead of C, who was ahead of A. There were only two people between D and E. F is just behind D. There were only two people between D and E. F is just behind D हो गया. D was following A. यही आ रहा है हमेशा. There are only two people between D and E. F is just behind D. ये हो सकता है। 2 2 2 2। ठीक है, चलो गलत थोड़े कम हुए कल से, ये बात है। यहाँ पे साला इतने टाइम लगा के कर रहे हैं, 10 मिनट में गेम खत्म कर रहे हैं पूरा, सारे क्वेश्चन। गलत कहाँ हुए? साइंस में सबसे ज्यादा गलती है। हेलो सर, फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स तो हो रहे हैं। ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, general oxides of dash acids, non-metallic acids. Which among the following is an example of adsorption? Acetic acid, not associated with the equals to I upon T. I दे रखा है हाफ, T दे रखा है behind retina, वही तो किया मैंने, नहीं किया था। कॉनकेव मिरर, यार मैंने कॉन्वेक्स कर दिया। Lipase, the Malpighian tubes, abscisic acid inhibits the growth. What? Inhibits the growth, मैंने सिर्फ ग्रोथ पढ़ा। एब्सिसिक एसिड रोकता है उनकी ग्रोथ को। पिक्वेंट, piquant means especially spicy. He looks for his grandfather which with wide eyes and quite disposition. Looks for, to search something, for his grandfather with wide eyes and quiet disposition. Hmm? Takes after. Sure. Acclimatize होता है, acclimatize. It is magnificent that your theory can be conveyed with such clarity by you. Convey yourself. सिर्फ एक गलत हुआ, ये तो मुझे आता ही नहीं है. पी ए बाई यू टू पी ए यूनियन बी 1 पी, पता नहीं क्या फॉर्मूला है, मैं तो भूल ही गया. ये क्या है, ये कैसे करता है? 2 डाल के हो रहा है. 2 3/2 √3/2 माइनस √2/3 इक्वल्स टू ये हो जाएगा √6 माइनस √6 1 2/3 इक्वल्स टू 3 √6 माइनस 2 √6 हो रहा है यार. शिट. ये मैं भूल गया क्या होता है ये. L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 अपॉन 2 F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F1 F2 F1 माइनस F0. F1 क्या है इसमें, 6 और 12, 6 माइनस 12, 12 माइनस 6, F12 माइनस 6, 12 माइनस 8 F0, 12 माइनस 8 अपॉन 2 इंटू 12 माइनस 8 माइनस 6 अपॉन 2. Ugh. Hmm. इनके लिए टाइम नहीं मिला, नहीं तो ये भी हो जाते हैं. तो इसमें SN TN equals to 40 equals to A plus N minus 1 into D to 34/2 equals to 17 plus 1 18 टर्म्स है. N equals to N/2 plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. 17 to the 34 46. क्या फॉर्मूला है? -40 2/2 plus 1. ये मैं कर रहा था, 332 आ रहा था इसका आंसर. शी, ये भी कर देता मैं. ये रखने, ये क्वेश्चन छूट गया. to 6/4 equals to 3/2. 6 speed. Initial, final. We cover 60% of journey with 2/5 of the time. What? मैंने माना distance 60 है. He covered 60% of the distance. 36 kilometers उसने कवर कर दिए in 2/5 of the time. मतलब 1 घंटे की जगह उसने 3/5. इसमें भी काफी गलत हो गए. ये मुझे पता था, ये कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा लॉजिक होगा इसमें, बकवास. 3 का क्यूब माइनस 3 माइनस 1 का क्यूब. ओए होए होए. 27 minus 8 is 19. Wow. वो क्यूब into 2. भाई मेरा लॉजिक भी सही था भाई. ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता? स्पाइसेस, क्यूमिन और मील. मील है ये पूरा. इसमें स्पाइसेस भी डलती हैं और क्यूमिन भी डलता है. सिक्स, 18, 5, 17, 21, 5, 14, 20. ये एक हो गया. 15, 16, 17 ये हो गया 2. ये हो गया ना 3. Each of which has as many letters as between both forward and backward as they have in English alphabet. 3 तो हो ही रहा है. 15, 16, 17. ये क्या उड़ गया? ये क्या है? खुद ही कुछ तो डाउनलोड हो गया. ठीक है. Phew. तो ये था आज का स्कोर. मिलते हैं कल. बाय बाय.